Hello, I've got this Yaris with a mismatching door mirror. So the other side is colour coded in blue. So I happen to have nice blue can lying around. So I thought, let me do this cheap little fix that'll make it look better for Pennies. So here we go. I raided my recycling bin with bits and pieces. Just wanted to show you how you can do things like this at home for Pennies, because a cheap car like this, there's no margin to take it to the professional paint job to get it done properly, so you do it at home. And so that's what I did. So I masked up with whatever leftovers I got, and then I just primered it, multiple layers, and painted it. Here we go. So here's the first layer, and I sprayed it. This is the second layer of primer. Okay, so next little bits and pieces are me primering, painting, and then clear coating. Let it dry. It's not a perfect finish. I would have liked to put more blue paint on it, but it was whatever I had spare left, so I used it, and it's acceptable. Looks much better than it was before. And yeah, little bits there that I'm gonna use a bit of paint thinner to get rid of, otherwise it's coming out nice.